Would you like to know why play in early childhood education is important? My name is Gerjanne. I live in Rwanda, where I have supported projects in ECE. Since 2020, I have started the education consultancy called Twiga Dukina, which means we learn as we play. In this video, I'm going to explain you about these books. They are written for adults who raise or educate young children. It's my experience that parents and teachers do not all know why and how play contributes to the child's development. This results in children learning academics at a too early age. Another reason to create this book is that it is not easy to imagine a play-based classroom if you have never seen it. A classroom where all children are actively engaged in different activities at the same time, all learning. The illustrations will help teachers to create their own play-based classroom. Of course, I can't tell you all, because you really should read it yourself, but I will give you a little insight. After reading these books, you will know what this small carrot and this big carrot have in common with the brain of a child. Do you think that a carrot will grow faster if you force it to grow? And a child, will it develop faster if you force it to read or write? Ganza and Maria, two neighbors in a little village, they now know all about it. And they will, with the help of a teacher, tell you their experience. We have developed 3 different types of books, all with the same illustrations and text. There is an A3 book for trainers to be used for big groups, with an image at the front and the text in English and Kinyarwanda at the back. There is an A4 book to be used in small groups or with individuals, which is available in Kinyarwanda or English. There's a softcover A5 book to hand out to participants, such as parents or teachers, to use in their own community at home or in schools, available in Kinyarwanda and English. Twiga Dukina is searching for partners who want to purchase lab books, picture books or small picture books to distribute to their partner organizations and schools. Printing will be on demand and in different print runs. Prices depend on the number of books ordered. Twiga Dukina can also deliver a customized package with training and coaching sessions about play-based learning. Would you like to get more information? Feel free to contact me.